Okay, guys and girls, I'll be demonstrating why my lights went out. In this case, I have a ceiling light, I believe from Home Depot. The model number of the power supply is right there. Output 33 volts, 650 milliamps. Yours might be different. I don't know if that's accurate. But anyways, I'll be demonstrating why the power supply is bad. I have it hooked to 120. And that's the voltage. It's at 1 volt. It was actually lower. Yeah, now it's going down. It was at 40. So the power supply is bad. I'll supply my own voltage at 33 volts 1 amp. As you can see, nothing wrong with the lights themselves. All of them light up fine. And this is my third one going bad. So these are not reliable. There's a part number again. So what I'll probably do is I'll end up just replacing this whole panel with a traditional screw-on bulb. Those are much easier to replace. It's just a bulb. And if you do want to replace this, of course, very easy. 2 screws, there. Of course, you'd use common sense. Just turn off the breaker before removing this. Test the voltage before touching the wires. Test AC voltage. 120. Oh, you don't want any reading when you're testing the bare wires at the ceiling. And then just remove this. It comes off easily. Again, I've done this. This is my third time doing it, so not cool. I wouldn't. If you're doing this, if you own like a home and you're doing this as like for your house and you live there, that's fine. I don't. This is my mom's house, so I'll probably change this whole thing. I don't want her to have to do this work again, or me having to do this again. So yeah.